Jai Hind class 10th students. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. Students, today in this HTML chapter, firstly I want to ask a quiz question to you. Question is this: which version of HTML is latest? Which is latest version of HTML? Which is latest version of HTML? Okay, here is HTML1, B, HTML2, C, HTML 5.5 and D, HTML5. Okay, so it is my question. Which is the latest version of HTML? Okay, so it's too old. Now HTML2 is also too old, and HTML 5.5 is not a version. Then the correct is HTML5. Okay, how you just understand? When you write this type, doc type HTML. This tag is represent HTML5. Doc type HTML. It's represent HTML5. It is the latest version. Okay. Hope you everyone understand. So in this HTML language, today I want to you taught this topic. I want to taught you table. Okay, in this table there are some type of tags also are used. Firstly, what is table? What is table? Okay, it is a collection of row and columns. Okay, and it shows in this type. Table shows in this type. टेबल कुछ इस तरह से प्रदर्शित होती है. ठीक है, इसमें that one line is called row and this one is vertical is called column. Okay, verticals are column, horizontals are row. Okay, and the intersection point, this one, intersection point of row and column is called cell. Okay, intersection point of row and column is called cell. So students, I want ask to you, what is definition of cell? Okay, so definition of cell is it is the intersection point of row and column. ठीक है, इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट को रो कॉलम सॉरी सेल कहते हैं. ओके, नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. In this table tag we have to use similar we have to use some helping tags by which you have to create a table. First, table tag. It is used to create a table in HTML. It is used to create a table in HTML web page. Second is TH. Okay, TH is used to define the header of row and column. TH, it is used to define the header. It is creating the table. TR, it's define the table row. The table row. What is defined by this? So table row. Okay. Then after TD. TD defines the cell. Okay, data. Cell data, those you fill it, that one defined in TD. And last is caption. Last is caption. It is defined the title of the table. Title of the table. Okay. So table defined to insert a table in the HTML. TH define the header in HTML. TR define the table row in HTML. TD define cell data, and caption define the title of the table. Okay, this is for title, this is for cell data, this is for table row, this is for table header, and this is used to create the table. Okay. So students, when you clear the concept of the table tags, then a smart table we create with a two line and two columns. That is two row and two table, two columns. Listen. First we start the writing HTML, okay, then head, then title, then it is a table, title is a table, close the title, then close the close the head. After that, body. In the body, you just create a table. In this table, firstly table header, you just write the table header name. So table header name is serial number, and close the table header. Second table header is name. Close the table header. Then table row. Okay, table row is 1. Close the table row. Table row. TD 1. Close the TD. Then TD Suraj. Close the TD. Close the table row, close the table close the table, and close the body. Then after, close the title, HTML. Okay, it is whole tag creating this type of data. Result is this serial number, okay, and name. So one is Suraj. It's represent only this. Okay. So HTML start, HTML close, head start, head close, title start, title close, body start, body close, table start, table close, TH start, TH close, TH start, TH close, TR start, TR close, TD start, TD close, TD start, TD close. It means when you just check container tag both have, then it's a clear. Okay, so this coding is complete. When you completing this, then you have get this type of table. Next day I will teach you just how to just use the border in this table header. Okay, write down. Hope you like this video, and if you have any types of problem, then ask to me.